farm vegetables. We check what's in here. Ooh, I can smell the pig. I'm a pig nga. See, I knew it. I knew it. There's a pig because I can smell the poo of the pig. So yeah, there's a pig. There's a vegetable. Ayan, nice. And there's a few gulay. I don't know where's some gulay. Ayun, dahon ng sili. Ay, ito sili pala, sili. Ay, cute. Ay, little farm nila. Oh, sili. Yes, there. Pagdating ko pa lang, naamoy ko na yung pupo ng baboy. So, yes, it's confirmed. There's a farm. Ay, baboy ramo!
Yes!
Wait, niluluto niyo ba to?
Yes!
Ay, really?
For sale!
Don't say that in
Ayun
front
ba?
of them.
Oo, nakakaawawa naman.
Kawawa naman. Don't say that in front of them.
Kuya, ang laki ng
Boar. It's a wild boar. Oh, there's a baby one. Oh.
ayun ang cute, oh. Diba, ang dami. May baby pa, oh, bagong mga panganak siguro.
Yes, hello.
Ay, ayan, oh, ibang variety. Ayan, oh, ibang variety siya.
Ito lalaki to. Oh.
Yan nga yung
Yan talang
bulog at
nag-
saka to. Yan yung dalawa lang.
So, ayan. Hello.